Let's try to make a Honda key, high security key. First, we're going to put it into our machine. Next, we will cut the high security key in our 3D Elite. Now that our key is cut, let's go to 2003 Honda Accord. Let's program. So we know this key does not work because right there is our security light. Does not recognize the key. Let's plug in the 608 and see what we can do. Let's get that working key put in. Oops. The system is configuring. Okay, is this the third key system? It is. Let's keep going. Do we want to erase the keys? Nope. All keys lost? Nope. We want to add a key. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and start it. Registered key is in the ignition. Checking the EMO status. Number of keys to the vehicle, we got 4. Turn the ignition off within 15 seconds. There's off. Now turn it on. Booyah. Now it's going to ask us for the new key. Would you like to program the next one? Yes. Turn the ignition off. Going to tell us to take the old one out. Let's put in another existing key we have just in case. It erases everybody. And this is on. That one is successful. Would you like to do another one? Yes. Let's take that one out. Let's grab our third key. This is our newest key. Now it wants us to turn the ignition on. We are on. That one is successful. No more keys. So turn the ignition off. Same key, turn it back on. Turn it off. Turn the ignition back on. Now we're looking for this little magical light right here. Remember that green light that's blinking up here in the corner? So the immobilizer lamp did not go out. Okay, successful. Let's see if they work. Looking for that green light to go out. Perfect. All 3 keys work. We added 2 keys. All right, we got the 2003 Honda keys made. Right here. Quick pick, lock and safe.